Okay, so every time I type S, I get knocked out. Somebody show me how to take off the text command keys in OBS. Okay, let's get this sent out. Now, place the coordinates in my phone and send them to the group. So give me 1 second. As far as the risk, I risk 9% per trade, but I recommend my students to start with 3% if you aren't used to trading. Start with 3%, do 90 trades at 3%, move to 6%, do 60 trades, and 30 trades at 9%. And if you complete the process without over leveraging, stay at 9%. At any point, if you go against your rules, then start over. And we do this to develop discipline and consistency with your approach, because leverage is everything when it comes to trading. That leverage and that discipline, the ability or inability to stick to it, will determine your success rate as a trader. So give me 1 second. Let me send these coordinates. Commodities plays. Oh, what's the stop loss? $18.99. No, that's $18.94. $18.70. TP1. TP2, 1837.47. TP3 is 1808. Oh no. 1808.96. Alright, let's check out the pip count. Alright, 60 pips on the stop loss. So you guys, if you don't know how many pips you're risking on your trade setup or what your target is, it'll also be hard for you to have some type of consistent return. This is the process that I go through for every trade, finding out the pips risk, the pips gained, and the total percentages for each move. 515. $7.98. Okay. From here, like I said, I do 9% per trade setup. So I look at each each entry. Each target area, and I calculate the percentage return for each target area by just multiplying it by 3, since the 9% that I have risk is split up into 3 different positions. So to find out what percent, so if we hit TP3 of your total account, you receive 36.75%. So like I said, I find everything, send it out to the group. So all they have to do is copy and paste, enter in the exact coordinates. I teach them how to properly leverage, so they could be in the same position to win. In TP1, what would be our percentage? All right. So, boom. And that's sent out to the group. From here, all I do is set alerts on each target area. Let me not type again before OBS kick me out again. And I just move to the next thing. From here, I'm done. There's no more work left to do on this. You guys, you have to start trusting your analysis. You didn't become a trader to stare at the market. Make sure that your leverage is something that you can handle just in case you lose. Like I said, I start with 9% because my winning percentage is at a point to where I trust myself enough to risk 9%. Beginning traders, I suggest 3%. So just as a example, let's say for instance this trade goes against us, you lose that 3%. You already have an idea of what to do if it goes against you. When price pulls back to retest the zone, re-enter for the buy. Place your stop loss underneath and ride the move moving to the upside. Before you even get the TP1, you should have won in return everything that you lost on the previous setup. So trading isn't about winning or losing. It's about lessons and application. Okay? Remove yourself from your emotions to successfully execute the things that you learn from your technical analysis. So we just did this live right now. If this thing breaks here, well, we're already in profit, but if it breaks here and closes, that will be a double top, and most likely we'll see at the very least our TP1 hit, which would be close to 9%. And that's it. Okay, we got to get away from the instant gratification and just staring at the trade setup. So what, you're in profit. Set an alert from your entry to let you know when you're about 20 pips or so in profit. And once you make it there, move your stop loss in profit. So all of these steps I have within our free course. So if you want to take advantage of the free course, just go over to profittakers.eu. Profittakers.eu. The link is also in the bio. You can access it from the main page, or feel free to take a look at the testimonials and watch the success of the team as well. But you can come down to the main page and start learning from the free course here, or you can access it from the courses page to get the details and information on everything else. Scroll down to the bottom, you'll find it in this section. After you sign up for the free course, you'll get access to our portal and our app. We have a mobile app as well. You guys won't see these. The only thing you'll have is this. It's a 9-day course. It teaches you how to set up your accounts, how to follow along with trade setups, how to properly leverage your accounts, and how to enter in coordinates, how to take option trades and forex trades, and how to define your risk. It also shows you how to re-enter a trade setup if you just so happen to find it late. So a lot of value in this free course. Like I said, free 9-day course. What's up, future profit takers? And so head over to the website. Go ahead, get yourself set up, and yeah. All right, deep in profit on gold, man. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let me go back to check S&P 500, and it's just that easy if you allow it to be. Put in the setup and walk away. All right. So we're in profit on gold right now. Looks like we may have this bear flag end up playing out for us on S&P 500, which would be amazing to find two back-to-back beautiful setups like this live. And this was a issue for me, man. I paid thousands of dollars to learn how to trade from mentors that never placed a trade in front of me. I never saw them trade. So this was something that I wanted to give to my students, because information is one thing, but execution is everything. All right. So even on the 1 hour, looks like we could get a rejection from this area here. Boom. And possibly pull back to this area. We also have a bit of a double top here, so it wouldn't be far-fetched for this 786 level here to get retested before price continues. So we already have those alerts set. Let's just keep it moving. I said double bottom, I meant double top. NAS 100's looking the same way. Okay, so we'll just watch those three plays. Let me see. Oh man. Oh man, that was a nice move. Okay, so I was looking for this area to get retested, and I definitely missed it all. Hold on a second. All right, so let's see. Tesla on the daily. So we just made a nasty little move that I missed. But this area here looks like a major structural level because of all of the rejections in this area. And you also have the same cube that we found in every chart that we looked at so far. So what we'll do is, let's wait to see what happens. Let's wait to see if Tesla pulls back to retest this 50. And if so, we'll try to take advantage of a sell entry from there. Right now, we are inside of imbalance. So let's see if we get a rejection in this area. Not trying to delete this field. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. All right. So we got imbalance right here at the 618. Oh man, I'm getting a little glitch going on. Okay, we got a perfect wick off of this imbalance. Let's see if this will be enough to push price back. Oh, wrong one. Yep, doesn't meet our requirements. Okay, so that's less than 1 to 3. So if anything, we're just going to wait, sending alerts for the pullback. Let's see. Okay, so we got a bunch of rejections right here above this area. Normally when you have a bunch of rejections like this at areas like this, people place their stop loss above those areas. And what the market does is it's kind of manipulated. Not kind of, it's very manipulated. So you'll see a move where these stop losses are actually captured, and then you'll get that move to the downside. So this thing could not only go to the 50, but it could actually break this 50 to pull back to this 382 level. So let me go back. Okay, 30 minutes. We got 10 minutes left on the 30-minute time frame. So let me move this guy over here. And if that 30-minute closes like this, that would be considered a hammer. Okay. Now this definitely fits within our risk requirements. So like I said, let's see how Tesla closes. We really want to sell, but as of right now on the smaller time frames, it looks like you could possibly get a pullback. If we look down here on the 30-minute, you have divergence. Okay, price is clearly in a downtrend. But if you look at your RSI from here, it's in an uptrend. This is divergence. Alright, so we got divergence and a possible hammer forming. Possibilities and potential mean absolutely nothing, so we wait on the close. Alright, we also have about 9 minutes left in this session. Okay. So on the 5-minute, you have a hammer, 2 candles that closed above. So it's looking pretty cool. Okay. So yeah, this may be a nice buy. Let me go ahead and prepare TPs for this. And if everything closes properly, TP1, if everything closes properly, giving us the confirmation that we're looking for, we will take this setup as well. TP2 will be inside this imbalance zone. TP3 will be up here at this structural level right below our 200 EMA. Alright, so Tesla pulls back. We have potential target areas. And we also have entry and exits. Now, if it continues to move, again, the same way I use every zone that I create, I wait on the break, a strong close below. Once price pulls back to retest, this will be my entry for the sell. Stop loss slightly above, and I catch the move to the downside. So if I lose that 9%, that's fine. I re-enter, and within a small move, even if it's just down to the well before we get to the 786 level, you would have made all of that money back. Hold on a second. Oh, that's Mr. Jeff. Hold on, Mr. Jeff. It's one of the students asking about one of the trades. Okay. Yeah, so you guys, from here you can monitor this setup on your own. It is about time for us to hop off. So, hope everything made sense. For pre-existing traders, for people that are new to the market, like I say, you can definitely take advantage of that free course. And if you would like to join our team, feel free to put in the application and go to Calendly to set up your interview, because there is a screening process. Okay, trading trading isn't for the faint of heart. Just to keep it simple. Okay, so we want to make sure we only work with certain type of people so we can make sure everyone gets results. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. It takes dedication. It takes hard work. All right, man. Let me send this trade out. So I am going to prepare the coordinates for this Tesla trade. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Again, take your time with trading. Okay, start with your demo accounts and get acclimated to not only placing trades, but the psychology behind it. Some people, they see themselves in the negative and they get emotional. So develop yourself mentally as well, so you can remove yourself from those fluctuations in your emotional state, so you can remain calm and focused enough to execute once you see these things develop in the market. All right. Thank you guys for your time. Be blessed. Happy trading. Okay.